Hello and welcome to IABM TV. I'm joined here by Ephraim Barrett, Sales Director at Rascular. Ephraim, welcome to IABM TV.
Hello there.
Can you tell us a bit about Rascular, please?
Well, we're a software company, primarily dealing in the broadcast industry at the end, where just before you go to transmission. So it's typically what we're used in master control environments. We have a range of software products. It's primarily for manual control. Also a branding media management product and some interfacing products as well.
Can you tell us about your control technology, Helm, and how this works across both SDI and IP applications?
Helm is quite an interesting proposition. It's a user customizable control system for devices found in broadcast facilities. So typically it's used in master control environments, controlling disparate pieces of equipment such as servers, video servers, multi-viewers, routers, branding equipment and modular gear. What this means is that you can build an application-specific control panel giving the operator only the functions that they require from those specific pieces of kit, and it's used across single multi-channel environments. It's quite a flexible and powerful tool.
Okay. How has the development of IP on the Playout and production side changed your business?
To be honest, we're having to look at it very hard. The situation in terms of changing the total model as far as we're concerned, because we're a control company, it's not that major a change. What we're seeing is that because we control third-party equipment, and it's primarily it's being driven by, for example, SDI transitioning to IP. We're just waiting on the manufacturers and the customers to deploy the IP, deploy to the IP environment. And as that happens, we find ourselves in the position where it's more of the same. We're across both the SDI environment and IP, essentially making manual control seamless for operators.
You significantly upgraded your media management tool recently, and it's making its European debut, I believe, here at IBC. Can you tell us a bit more about the upgrade and the product?
Mediant, just as a little bit of background, is a media management tool for branding engines. Essentially, it's always been used in a manual environment. What we've seen in recent times is that operations are because of the multi-channel environment, are finding a greater and greater and increasing requirement for an automated branding media management solution. On that basis, we've improved the product to essentially allow us to talk to third-party automation systems, interrogate playlists, look for secondary event information, then use that information to deploy the media on the on-air devices and manage it off again as it passes its embargo date.
Okay. You partner with a number of third-party suppliers. Can you tell us how these partnerships benefit all involved, including the end user?
Because we're a software company, we have skills in certain areas. We partner with hardware manufacturers where those skills work to the benefit of both parties. So, for example, we have a relationship where we provide a tool that allows for ingest of clips into their server product. And moving on from there, another third party, we have an arrangement whereby we provide them with a piece of middleware that allows automation system to talk to that middleware, thinking it's controlling device X, and we translate those commands into commands that will control that manufacturer's device.
And so what's on the horizon? What's the future for Rascular?
In essence, more of the same, plus adding some enterprise tools to allow for things like the integration of IP into traditional broadcast environments.
Okay, well, Ephraim, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.